Alright, Q137-19 westbound. Track 1, I believe. I think. If I don't guess it's uno. Q137 is a intermodal slash, you probably have Autorack on them. Come on, what did you get? Oh, if you guys are wondering why Q137 is a single stack, because of the tunnels at Baltimore. As far as I know, they are working on the tunnels at Baltimore to make it higher. So these guys gonna be double stacked. That's what, if I understand correctly and heard right. So. That's all. The CP has a shoe. Oh, cover shoes. Nice. Okay. Alright, Q137-19. That's what you can tell. You guys look good. Alright, let's see what the DD gonna be. I keep recording this to. The DD should be going off about a minute and a half ish. I'm guessing around 400 ish, I think. 450. I'm guessing between 350 and 500. Give or take about a minute. Give or take. I'm just trying to think. Alright. The next trains that I know of that I got 3 more trains that I know of that's coming. Q138 eastbound, Q415 eastbound. They're supposed to should be here around the next 2 hours, 3 hours. Give or take about a minute. And I got E782 coming. It used to be here roughly about an hour-ish. Yeah, that's what I'm guessing. Okay. Q137 clear couple. Which one? Alright, so I think these should be going off any minute. Any second now.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 2.6. Track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 3, 9er 4. End of transmission.
Not bad.